cannot pull it. You're okay. You're good right there. You cannot pull it. It doesn't eat. You start to No! Don't it! See, it did! Say it did!
Sarah, pull back.
I cannot pull. Hey!
Okay, hold your reins again. Yep, now pull that left rein.
You're hungry. Okay, pull back.
Eat that.
Pull
I
this
will
left
wait.
rein, give her a big squeeze.
You're doing good.
Good, and then hands forward.